Okay, given the following description of four-sided lot, okay, given sa two-table test, find the distance of line DA, find the bearing of line DA, find the area of the closed converse. Okay? So, ang atong bato na rin, okay, ito si shortcut. Itatag sa iyo na. Pwede ning on-site naman niya. Sarang side of using ka. So, ang atong bato na rin, pwede mo mag-DMD, pero lang ngayon na, okay, mag-table ko mo. Mag-try ko lang, mag-darag kalit yun. Okay? So, at button, again, let's grab this one. This is problem number 3, no? Okay, so north, east, 30 degrees, 30 minutes. Okay, so we have AB, BC is northwest, northwest, and then northeast, northwest, southwest. Okay, so it should be another little surface. Okay, so let's say this is our point A, and then north 30 degrees, 30 minutes east. The distance is 56 point. Okay. Button guys, again, I will graph, no? Okay, so let's say class ang atong distance dire is x. Given ang what is the angle? Picture departure niya. Okay, it should be meter na. Okay, so ang atong button, again, paano itong class na latitude, no? This is 56.5 na cosine of 30 degrees, 30 minutes. Cosine gamitin itong latitude ka. What will be the value of this one?
48.
Ilan eh?
48.
Ilan eh, Les?
48.68.
Okay na. Go na ba? 56.5 cosine of 30 degrees, 30 minutes. Okay? And that is positive kay north na eh. Okay? And departure niya, east na eh. So that is positive also. So that is 56.5 sine of 30 degrees, 30 minutes. Okay? Next is, ang yung latitude less, that is 36.5. Okay, cosine of 75 degrees, 30 minutes. Again, that is positive since that is north. Okay, west so that is negative. So that is negative 46.5. Okay, sine of 75 degrees at 30 minutes. Next is south. So that is negative. So negative of 87.5 cosine of 45 degrees, 30 minutes. Okay? This one is west, so this is negative. So this will be equivalent to 87.5 sine of 45 degrees, 30 minutes. Okay, any total that one test, and then times of negative 1, para total nila less, must be equal to 0. It should be 0. Okay? So, i-add ito lo. Okay? And then, nanaka na, in times of negative 1, total na rin, Kung itotal mo 5, must be equal to 0. What will be the value? Kailan? Negative lang. Positive value niya.
1.00.
Meron lang?
1.00.
1.70. 1,000. Okay? And then how about the departure? Ilan eh? Ano ba? Positive, negative. Positive 7, 8, 0.75. Okay? So, ang unang punta na, okay, find the distance of line DA. So, kategorya na ka. So, that means line DA, the equivalent, the square root of 1 square, plus, that is 38, 78.75 square. Okay, what will be the value of this one?
78.76.
Sino ba na?
78.76.
0.76, okay, meter. So that will be the value, no? Okay. Okay, next. Okay, find the bearing of line DA. Okay, DA plus, but stable. So it should be positive man ang latitude. So that represent north, no? Positive at departure, so that represent east. Okay? So atong water, so ang atong contest, that is north, east, and then ang atong water, that is cosine of that angle, okay, is equivalent to latitude on the west, so that is 1, and the second one divided by the departure of 78.75. So by inverse tan test, what will be the value of that? Inverse cos.
89.27.
89.27.
27.
Okay, 27 degrees. Okay, can you make that one into degree and minutes, seconds, point?
89 degrees.
89
Degrees.
degrees.
16.
Ilan ba?
16.
16 minutes.
8.0.
Ilan ba? 8.3 seconds. So therefore, that is the bearing of line A. Okay? The next, find the area of the closed traverse. Okay? Okay, so find the area of the closed traverse. Okay. Matas-an mo since naka-table naman, pwede mo mag-DMDN or NPD ka. Okay? Pwede po mo mag-triangulation. So since diyan naman tanan, nakasolve naman tanan. Okay, ang imo ng buhaton, bisag ang imo solution, pas-pas ka, scratch na gamay, no? Sketch na gamay na. Since matungang nila to, four-sided man eh. So, equivalent na sa duha ka triangle. Okay, so example no, kung ganahan ka triangulation, dito yung meron niya yun. Meron yung graph na sketch lang. Okay, so this is side B at the person. This will be 56.5, no? And then, kanyang angle plus is 30 degrees, 30 minutes. And then, BC is 46.5 northwest. Proximity na direct. Okay, so this will be equivalent to 75 degrees 30 minutes, and then this side is 46.5. Okay, so I'm taking one in the sense. So I have 46.5. Okay, so this is side C, and D na to class is from C to D, that's 45 degrees 30 minutes, no? West, south, west. Okay, so another. So this is 0.8. So this angle class is 45 degrees 30 minutes. The value beside is 87.5. And then, since ang diin na to, na-solve na ang test, sige lang guys, nakabawa naman ako sa values na. Okay, so yung button lang is, again, since development cycle that is, ito, 78.76 meter. So yung button, yung lang tumahang. Okay, so yung button ng glass is, kung alam mo na yung angle direct. Anong angle, ang pilit na ng angle glass. Okay, so this is 30 degrees 30 minutes. So, kanina 30 degrees 30 minutes. And then, i-add na doon, pinay value yan eh. I-add na doon, pinay value yan.
106.
Ano ba?
106. 106.
106. Ano?
Yes, sir.
Okay? And the next is, given what I want to know, so that is northwest, northwest 89.27. Yung kaning angle test, this is 45 degrees 30 minutes. So, 89.27 degrees minus 45.30 degrees, pila yung angle lang.
43.
Ilan? Ano? Ilan? This one, ito sig ka ni. Pila may pila.
43.
Ilan ba?
43.
43.
40,
3
3,
degrees. Degrees, 46 minutes.
point or nag-degrees mo dahil? Degrees,
46 minutes.
46 minutes, 8.3. 8.3. Okay, mura mo buhay gana. No? So, taon. Okay, so we have area is equal. Okay, so 1/2 AB sin theta radius. So that is 1/2 times 46.5 times 56.5 sine of included angle from 6 degrees. Okay, plus, okay, kaning area ni. So, to adjust the side ko na, included angle kanin mo. Okay, so again, it's 1/2 times 87.5 times 78.76 times sine of 43 degrees 46 minutes 8.3 seconds. So what will be the area, please?
3646.
3646.
Dali?
3646.
3
46. 34.
0.31. Okay, square meter. So that is 96. Okay, so nag-disable na tapos.